Hello kids, good morning all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, as you know, we are doing the theme that is safety. And our today's topic is revision of safety. As you know, we have already done this topic in our previous sessions. Today we are going to revise this, okay, that is revision of safety. Safety means the condition of being from protected from or unlikely to cause danger, risk or injury. Safety reduces the chances of accident or injury happening. Safety reduces injury, decreasing lost work hours. A safe and healthy workplace not only protects workers from injury and illness, it can also lower injury, reduce absenteeism and turnover, increase productivity and quality, and raise employee morale. Okay, after this, now we are going to make a model of fire truck. For truck using cardboard box, bottle caps, straws, bottle caps, ice cream sticks, straws. Okay, and you can also use the craft material to decorate your truck. Firstly, cut the cardboard in the different shapes to make the different parts of the truck, and with the help of bottle caps you can make the tires, wheels of the truck. Okay, you can make this with the help of your parents, and when you made this, then you can decorate your truck with the any craft material. Okay, now open page number 76 of your icon explorer, book number 4, safe and unsafe behavior. Put a cross for pictures that show unsafe behavior. Students, this page you see different pictures. Firstly, recognize all the pictures one by one, and after that you only cross that box that shows unsafe behavior. Okay, I repeat it again. Firstly, one by one recognize all the pictures, and after that you only cross that shows the unsafe behavior. Okay, and after doing this, send me the pics on my WhatsApp number. After this, now today we talk about a fire drill. Fire drill, also called as fire extinguisher, which we use to control the fire. For using this, we have to follow some safety rules. Okay, like first one is listen directions. Second is, students, we have to follow these rules in our school. Whenever we are in a school or in our class, then we have to follow these safety rules. Firstly, listen the directions. Second, quietly line up. Third one is walk carefully. Next one is go to your assigned place, and the last one is stay with your class. Okay, I repeat these safety rules. Listen the directions, Next one is quietly line up. Next, walk carefully. Fourth one is go to your assigned place. And the last one is stay with your class. Okay. Now I told you about the drill procedure. Drill means D. Drop everything and leave swiftly, silently and safely. D means drop everything and leave. R means remember the emergency packet. I means in line out of the building. L means line up. And last L means listen for instructions. Okay, I repeat this mean again. D means drop everything and leave, that is swiftly, silently and safely. R means remember the emergency packet. I means in line out of the building. L means line up. And the last L, listen for instruction. Okay, this is the meaning of drill. DRILL, drill. Okay, students, now your homework is to do page number 76 of your Icon Explorer, book number 4. Okay, and students, you also try to make a truck, okay, with the help of cardboard, bottle caps, straws, ice cream sticks and craft material. Least you try to make a truck with the help of your parents, okay, and you also learn these safety rules. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.